dear Gemini, welcome to my channel, and this is your August 3rd week exclusive love reading plus career reading. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. In your love life, you've got the astrologer card and the Two of Suns. Interesting. This tells me that you yourself are an astrologer, probably a tarot reader or an intuitive person yourself, like a very wise spiritual person. Okay, but right now or currently you are facing situations where you are getting into a lot of arguments or quarrels with people, especially in your personal relationships like siblings, parents, or even your love partner, right? Uh, no matter if you're in a relationship, situationship, or marriage, this applies to all of you. I do see that the moment you try to do something good, like there could be a lot of love between the two of you, but there are compatibility issues, like major ones. You both have very similar personalities, you both are extremely headstrong, right? Short tempered, egoistical. The only way to make this relationship work is if either one of you or both of you compromise. If you think I'm not going to compromise, then this relationship is not going to work. And if you think your partner is never going to compromise, then remember that you can compromise 1 day, 2 days, 4 days maybe, but fifth day you will give up. Right? So you have to think from a long term point of view whether you can make this relationship work or not. And those who are already in a relationship for a while or married for a while, you know that the only way to save this relationship is when you or your partner continue to compromise, right? If you be very rigid that no, it's not gonna happen, he should apologize, he should make up, then probably this will not work out, right? So please make sure that you are compromising, especially this week, because the chances of arguments and fights is a little more this week, okay? So take care of that. That compromise is one way that will take your relationship really, really far. Now let's see what's happening in your career. You've got the Three of Spades and the Ten of Suns. I do see that success is just beginning to develop, or maybe you were hoping for some sort of, good success, good news to come your way, but this week turned out or is going to turn out to be something different. I do see that there's a lot of politics happening around you under your nose, or maybe you're aware of it, maybe not. Uh, it can be your own business partner, your own client, your own competitor, the shopkeeper who sits right in front of you, or it in your job, it can be your own colleagues or bosses as well, or maybe other departments, right? There are people around you who are after your job, who want to snatch that position from you, okay? They think maybe you're not worthy. There will be all kinds of accuses on you, like blames on you. This week you will face situations where you will be put in a place where you will be like, I have not done that, but there will be 10 people against you and maybe false witness also that yes, I saw you doing that, right? So you will have to be very, very strong. If you haven't done anything wrong, you'll have to stand your ground. If you give up and you stop protecting yourself, it can turn out really, really bad. So please make sure that no matter how many people are standing against you, you are able to stay strong, right? Stay strong to the truth. And then eventually, if you are strong this week, if you can endure the troubles, the problems, the politics that you face this week, the future weeks and times in your career will be much better. Okay, yes, this week is challenging, I agree. Overall, both for your personal life and professional life. So please make sure that you're avoiding these things, the messages that are coming from you, for you, sorry, and the warnings that are coming for you. You're following these guidelines so that this week is smoother and you know how to manage it, right? And if you guys resonated with this reading, please hit the like button, and yes, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get your readings in advance and you know how to handle the coming week. And yes, this was a general reading for Sun, Moon, Rising, Gemini. If you think you want a specific reading for you only, you can book a personal reading with me. This is also a perfect time to book rituals, to start rituals, since the full moon is here. The next 5 days are auspicious. So if you're watching this video, please book a ritual for yourself if you feel stuck in your life or if you want to manifest a desire. Lastly, I do have discounts going on this month because of Rakhi. I do have 10% off only on two services, which are the comparatively expensive ones. One is spiritual counseling sessions, which is an audio video call sessions with me. Okay, there is a 10% off on that. So come to me, discuss your feelings, get the guidance and get the remedy also from the spirit guides. Second, unlimited questions. Okay, if you want you want to ask as many questions as you want in a limited time, like half an hour, 45 minutes, you can book that reading as well and take a 10% off on that. Other than that, I do have budgeted readings available under 1000 rupees, which are packages, which are love reading, no contact readings, right? And includes personal readings as well. So I have a various, I have a I don't know what I was gonna say, but I have a lot of services available on my channel. Okay, it's difficult to talk about each one of them. So please go ahead, check the description box, email me if you want to book any. If you want to know the prices, please follow me on Instagram, the Moksha Tarot. You will get to know the prices from the highlights and my daily stories because I keep on posting the prices. So it's not hidden. It's not because it's not a lot. It's not like 25,000 or 20,000 or even not even 10,000, right? Very few services are like uh, I think all my services are under 5,000, okay, and it starts with 200 something. So yeah, it's funny. So take what resonates with you. Book whatever suits your budget, okay, and check out the description box. That's very important. Like this video, subscribe to my channel so that you can get your timely reading, okay, and follow me on Instagram. Just do all these things and you'll be good. So thank you so much for watching my channel. Take care. Bye bye.